Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a GIMP tutorial on how to resize an image. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And then the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is, let's say I have this picture like so, and I want to let's put another picture in it. But like, this picture's a little bit scary. I told the AI to make my Rust character look like a horror guy, and this is what it came up with. But let's say I want to resize this. I don't like where it's at. I can go right here. There's a couple of different things. You have the unified transform, rotate, scale, shear, flip, perspective, 3D transform, and handle transform on this little section. But when you right click it, you want to go to the scale. Okay. Now that you're on the scale, you can click on the picture, and then a couple of different things will pop up. This is just like cropping, but instead of cropping and things disappear, it's the whole scale, right? So what we're going to go ahead and do is you can make it smaller, you can make it bigger, and then you just press scale on the little window that opens up, and yeah, that's how you do it. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and leave them down below. Other than that, it's been a GIMP tutorial. Thank you.